Hi, so here we are in another job with A&A Masonry, and what we're doing at this particular job is we're demolishing a set of concrete porch and steps, basically, and then we have to dig down and pour new footings, and then build it up, and then form and pour new concrete porch and stairs, and then put stone on it, and then we're going to have a gorgeous walkway going through from the front stairs over to the driveway. So let's have a look at this job and see how it progresses. A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe. We begin with a street-level view of the home as we take on this exterior restoration project. From the start, it's clear the front porch and steps had severely deteriorated. The steps were separating from the porch, structural integrity was compromised, and long-term water damage had taken its toll. The walkway was equally worn. Installed more than 30 to 40 years ago, this older-style interlocking stone system lacked the water management technology we rely on today. Over time, sections had shifted and sunk deep into the ground, creating an uneven and unsafe surface. All of this needed to be fully demolished and removed, as you can see from the bin filled with debris. The first phase of the project was complete demolition of the existing porch and steps. Once removed, the crew began rebuilding from the ground up by pouring new footings and reconstructing the concrete porch structure. One of the key reasons the original steps failed was improper internal fill. There simply wasn't a stable, compacted core to support the concrete over time. When building concrete steps and porches properly, the interior structure must be filled with approved sub-base materials such as granular fill, crushed stone, or clean rubble. These materials create a stable, well-draining foundation that prevents settling, cracking, and damage caused by water accumulation. When done correctly, this internal support is what allows concrete structures to remain solid for decades. With demolition complete, new footings were poured and a block structure was built to form the sides of the porch. Proper filler material was then installed and compacted inside the structure before the concrete was poured, creating a solid, fully supported porch. During this phase, the crew also had to temporarily remove an existing pillar that supported the roof overhang. A structural beam was installed to safely carry the load while work was underway. Once the project was complete, a new pillar could be installed to finish the look. Next came the demolition of the old walkway. Again, a significant amount of material needed to be removed. Once cleared, the crew began preparing the subgrade. An excavator was required to properly shape and prepare the base, a critical step in ensuring the walkway remains stable and properly drains water long-term. During excavation, a large tree root was encountered. This is common in hardscaping projects. The crew carefully extracted the root while protecting the health of the tree, preserving the landscape without sacrificing structural integrity. With the base prepared, a new concrete walkway was formed and poured, connecting the porch to the driveway. This concrete was intentionally finished with a rough, open texture, often called a broom finish. This surface is essential when stone will be installed on top, as it allows the mortar to mechanically bond to the concrete, ensuring the stone is fully secured. Here you can see the concrete porch and steps complete as the stone installation begins. Each stone is carefully measured, leveled, and bonded to the textured surface. Stone by stone, the walkway is crafted into a custom design that enhances both the appearance and durability of the home's exterior. And finally, the finished result. The porch, steps, and walkway are fully transformed, not just visually, but structurally. What was once failing and unsafe is now a solid, long-lasting exterior designed to perform and look great for many years to come. This project highlights why A&A Masonry is a leader in exterior restoration across the GTA. From code-compliant structural work to custom stone finishes, A&A's experienced crews deliver craftsmanship that homeowners can trust.
To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.